Hey everyone, this is Keith from easytradingschool.com, and today I'm doing an update for the stocks and Forex trading. Maybe not so much with the cryptocurrency, but I just want to go through the trades which I've been making and analyze them a little bit, look at them and share with you my trading history, and also to see if I can place a new trade. Okay, so this is easytradingschool.com. If you want to open an account, go to easytradingschool.com. You can see the link there or below the video, and you can go to open trading account. And number one method to not lose any money is to open a practice account, and you will never lose money. You can try practicing over and over again with any strategy which you think will work. And then here on this page, open trading account page, we have 4 or 5 brokers which are very reliable. And there's one there, expert option, there's one binary cent, it's available in USA, and usually the opening amount is $250. With this one it's $50, and they give you a $10,000 free practice demo account, which is very good. IQ option, you can open account as low as $10, which is very low, and you can get a practice account with them with $10,000. I usually use IQ option. And then we have a couple others. Okay, so this is where you can get started, and if you use the practice account, register now, and you will never lose money. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you my trading account with the IQ option. Now I want to show you my trading history. Okay, now you can see these are the positions which I've been trading, and it always ends up in profit, always. Okay, I never take a close losing trade. I never do that, and you can do the same. And I want to highlight this Badu stock which I opened yesterday, 21st of May. Today is the 22nd May of 2008, and I opened this yesterday. It was Monday, and I opened at 2 o'clock. Okay, you can see the time, 14:31. That's 2 p.m. and 2:31 p.m. And I did a downward sell trade for $1,000. Okay, and then by the next day, you can see my expiration line was next day. I let it go slide down. Okay, and there's actually a video I made on this, and then I close the trade live. Okay, you can watch my previous video in which I closed the Badu trade live. Okay, so you can see I gained 43%, which is like so big. $400 profit within 24 hours. My closing time was yesterday, so it was same day, same day at 5 o'clock, the 6 o'clock, so within like few hours, 3.5 hours. So where did I get this information that the Badu stock is going to lose money? So what I did was I went to some of the charts. Now on the easytradingschool.com you can see free trading charts, and I provide some of the charts in full screen, which you will have hard time finding. You will not find full screen charts so easily. So I put them in a very easy, and these are 4 important charts: 1, 2, 3, 4. Advanced real-time live trading chart, free economic calendar chart, free economic calendar investing chart. This is from investing.com, and free cryptocurrency market capitalization chart. So these are 4 very good charts which you can use, and there are more free charts, and they are more like heat map indicator for Forex, and there are more charts if you want to see a little bit more. So everything is very easy to access from our website, because we want other beginners to to be able to find these tools very easily. Okay, if they're starting out to trade, they're new, they want to trade in Forex, and they don't know which tools to take. So this is a very good place we've created, and you can swap the different pages and different charts. You can just swap them and change them. So this one, I clicked on the cryptocurrency market capitalization chart, and here we can see the Bitcoin prices, we can see the closing values and the change. So Bitcoin has lost 1.88%. I don't believe in crypto anymore. I will trade with them, but I will always do a sell trade with crypto. So let me show you what I mean by that. So if I go here and I go to plus and I go to crypto, crypto has become so big that everything, they've got their own section for it. But I can tell you that this asset seems to be closed at the moment. I'm not sure why, but if I was to trade in this, I will do sell and not buy. Okay, so that's my tip on that. So let me go back to the Baidu. How I knew that this is going to go down was, let me go to the chart. This is chart. Yeah, so what I did, I went to the economic calendar and I went to the economic calendar investing chart. I looked at them and I was trying to find, and you can click on filters and you can come down and select this importance to bull. So that means if you don't have this selected, it will show you different news at different levels. Okay, so the bull means the higher number of bulls, the stronger the news and the stronger the impact. So what you can do, you can go filter and you can go here and apply, and with this you can see the news that is coming out and the impact of it. For example, GBP, you've got the inflation report here. Okay, so this inflation will be a very good report to trade with the GBP pounds. Now in this one, so let's head over to actually investingnews.com. So if you go here, what you can do is you can write down the name of the stock that before you make the trade. Write down, so suppose this was yesterday, and I go to Baidu and I go to the USA Nasdaq one. Okay, I click on this one and this will bring me to, now I'm trying to explain you guys how I came about to learn this is going to go down. So I said, okay, I pulled up Baidu and now I can see that the stock price for this one is still going down. Okay, so you can still make money with this. This is the live chart for Baidu right here. It is sitting at 240, and this is the 7-day chart for Baidu, and we can see, let me make this bigger for you. We can see that it reached here and this has gone down. Now this asset is closed right now. I'm not sure why. There might be a holiday somewhere, but this was closed, Bitcoin was closed. So this might be a very good time to make a downward trade to sell it. Okay, and I might do that actually, but then what I did was, yesterday I went to the news and analysis, and I went to news analysis and opinion, and there I saw, well, not this one, you can check either of them, and you can see that people are talking about Baidu. So 24 hours ago it was probably something like this. Okay, now here this is specifically talking about Baidu, and now here it says that the company gains after company discusses this divestiture of ad and tools business. Okay, so they're talking about how that the stock is up 34% compared to this is up to this year compared to the other S&P. So they're talking all these things right now. This was not the news which I saw. It was some other news. I can't seem to find it, but I'm just showing you guys how you can read about these things. And Now, ironically, this page is saying that the Baidu stock is rising, but this is not the news which I read because I was on my phone and I just got into some reading something, but it was not Market Watch, it was on investing.com, and I don't see where this was, which article I was reading, and it mentioned something about Baidu losing money. So I came about here and I did a downward sell trade, and boom, when I came back I got a notification on the phone and I was oh, okay, and I did a live video on this. So this is how to analyze the markets through different charts, like this one. Oh, we'll close that one. Different charts. Okay, close that one. Okay, so you can read all of these. If you wanna be safe, and before you start, I recommend to open a trading account with either of the brokers. Sign up from our website and you will get our support, one-to-one support, with email, and you can ask us any questions for your trading techniques, and this is really really good. So now if I close this one, close. So if I show you my trading history, all of my trades have been profitable. Okay, they're always profitable. I never close a trade which is making a loss. Now, except for this one, I just had to get rid of this one because Bitcoin definitely not a good investment, and this was something that I did upwards, and it was horrible. So the way things are going with the Bitcoin, I will never buy crypto item. I will sell it. Okay, so this is what my so otherwise there always you can see whole tons of profit. Okay, so now I'm left with some of the my portfolio which are making a loss. So I'm making a loss of $4,000. Okay, now much of it is the USD TRY, is the Turkish, it's not lira, but Turkish, yeah, it is Turkish lira. So I did a downward move on this one way uh, many days ago. I think it was 11th of May. So exactly 11 days ago. And this is causing me so much pain because the USD has strengthened against the Turkish lira. It's gone really high. And if I look at the 30-day chart, my prediction was actually correct to say that it's going to go down because it has never increased that much in the last 30 days. Because this is setting a new precedent of USD being stronger, and which is against the trend following rules. But this happens, okay? But nevertheless, I'm not going to close this trade regardless what happens, because if I close it I will suffer a loss, and I don't want this. So I'm gonna because in trading whatever goes up must come down, and what's down has the opportunity or possibility to go up. So this is all up and down, up and down, up and down. My strategy is not to get scared and make a loss. My strategy is to wait, because in in 7 days, if it can go from here to here, it can also go from here to here. So that means I will close it when I see a profit. Okay, so I've got one loss making here, 3,000. Then Euro USD, this is pretty much normal, nothing to worry about. I've got two trades going upwards, and this I can see it's going back up now. Okay, so I've got one trade here, one trade here, they're both upwards, and it went down, and now it's on the way going up. And this was actually lower here. So this was, if I showed you this yesterday, it was like making 1,200 loss. So this is recovering, no issues there. USD and OK, you can see this one, the Norwegian kroner. I did downwards trade here, and now this is again, it's gone up actually, and it's coming down now. So this is beautiful. Okay, so it's gonna come down, do a touchdown, it's gonna be in profit in no time. Now I opened a new trade with the INR. This is something different which I haven't I don't really trade with the other countries, but here what's happening, it's kind of like break even. I saw something like positive few dollars, I left it. It's pretty stable, so this is okay. And right now the USD has been increasing, so actually maybe I should close this because it seems the dollar has really strengthening against the Indian rupee. So for beginners out there, these are some of my experiences I'm sharing with you guys. You can get started, and you can practice and never lose any dollar or your investment by sticking the rules, like I'm doing. So it's a strategy. You can have a different strategy, and you can go and learn and email us. And this is how you find news on any particular stock. So if I was to see if I want to open a new trade now, amount of cash that I have is $4,000. So what I can do is I can say new, and I don't feel like doing Forex right now because I think the markets are closed today for some reason. If I look at the CFD, and I can see the BMW has been losing money. So wow, look at this spike right there. Wow, have you ever seen something like this? Crazy. So it went from 88 to 92. Wow, that is huge. Anyway, so here we have, it was very flat, and then it went up and it's gone up. And now the change it is showing is in minus 3 to 5. Actually, I'm not 100% what is the duration of this change. So if anybody know, please email me and let me know. So I'm not sure if I want to do anything with BMW. Okay, so any of these, if I want to check out something with BMW, I can just go BMW, and I can select BMW. Which one is it? Okay. All right, so I've been looking to see if I can make a um, new trade, but I don't feel like doing it now. So you can subscribe to my channel and see updates and see, because this video is getting a bit long, and before I make a trade I want to look into it and try to have a good outcome. And this is what I advise, that try to understand, why are you making that trade. Have some logic behind it, whatever it could be, right or wrong, it doesn't matter, okay? Because it's all learning process. And that's why if you open a practice account, you can practice all you want. And I would advise that regardless how long it takes you to come up with this logic, wait. And then, because if you were randomly just doing the trade, for example, for Marks and Spencer, it's very easy to press the button, and you might think, okay, it's only a practice account. It's not my money. I can just do whatever. But then you're not learning. You don't have any logic. If you have a logic, whether it's right or wrong, you do your buy or sell, and if you're right, you would think, okay, your logic works, and you can repeat that every time, and then if it keeps working, you have a good strategy. On the other hand, if your logic doesn't work, you can say to yourself, okay, that logic doesn't work, and then you might keep trying it, because your logic will not always work 100%. It will work more than 50%. Okay, so, and you want to be in positive, maybe 70% of the time you want to be right. So you only have to make 20%, and it can be done. Okay. If you want to avoid all of these analysis and all these things, you can sign up with a signal service. So if you go to open account and you go to open account with this Maximus CryptoBot, it's a signal service which came out recently, and every month there is a new one coming out, and then we advertise them because they work. And if it's not working, we mark it as scam, and you can see some scam warnings over here, and you can see the ones that we think they don't work. Okay, And also I've been posting trading signals on the website, and you can go to copy my trades. And if you watch the website closely, I try to post a signal if I can, and I also share my winning results over here. So you can copy my trades, and you can sign up to my mailing list, and you can write a message if you wanted to. I'll get back to you. You type 2 in the box and press save, and I will put you on the mailing list. And what that will do is, I'm not sure if you will get update from the signals, but you will definitely get updates for different reasons. Okay, so thanks for watching. Do subscribe if you like our videos, so we keep bringing you more data and more news and more profits. Okay, so my account has been doing great, and I'm going to keep profiting and keep learning and sharing with you guys. Okay, take care again. See you.
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign up support. And thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.